Good morning, children. So today we are going to discuss about graphical representation in the statistics. So the continuation of 17th part. So up to in the last class we have discussed about median in the for the ungrouped data and grouped data. So both we have completed. So here then after mean, median, mode. So the very important topic for 4 marks, then how to represent graphs by using the graphical representation, how to find out median. See children, here by using graphs, so we can find out only median. So here these graphs we can say or we can call as ogive or ogive curve. So ogive, ogive curves. So here 3 types of curves are there. So in these 3 types we can find out median by using these graphs. So the first one is only a class interval and less than cumulative frequency, means they will give frequency, and for this we have to find out less than cumulative frequency. So by using this less than cumulative frequency we have to find out median. And next class interval they will give frequency, and now greater than frequency, greater than cumulative frequency. By using this also we can find out median. Then next the third one is at a time both we will use, means less than and greater than cumulative frequency. These two we will use at a time, and here also we can find out median, right? So in this let us discuss about the first graph, then how they will ask. See here, right? So find the median of data with less than cumulative frequency for the following table. So they will give like class interval and frequency. That class interval, for example, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, right? So here frequency 2, 5, 3, 4, 6. So this is the given table. Then we have to find out median by using less than cumulative frequency on the graphical or on the graph or while representing the graph. So here first we have to find out cumulative frequency, less than cumulative. So class interval, frequency, and less than cumulative frequency. Right. So here 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, then 40 to 50. Right. Frequency what is given? 2, 5, 3, 4, 6. So here first we should find out n value, because while finding median first we have to find out n by 2. So that's why n value 7, 10, 14 plus 6, 20. Now we should find out less than cumulative frequency. So already yesterday, means in the previous class, we have discussed about this. Then see what is. So first, when we are finding less than cumulative frequency, the first value we have to write same as it is, 2. Then when we are writing the second value in the cumulative frequency, then add these two. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 plus 6, 20. So already we have discussed in the less than cumulative frequency last value and the sum of the frequencies all last value, means this value and this value both are equal. Then after, so these values we have to represent on the graph. See, when they are asking less than, we have to take upper limits. If you have any doubt, here you can write points also, means x comma y. This also you can take. Then how? So here they given less than cumulative. So that's why upper limits we should take upper limits. So means these two values. If they will ask greater than cumulative frequency, lower limits we should take. Both are, if upper limits, here less we should take. Here lower limits, upper we should take. So greater cumulative frequency. So now what is given? Less than cumulative frequency. So that's why upper limits we are taking, means the points 10, 2. First you write this one, 10, 2, then 20, 7. So if you want to write this, you can, then otherwise you just leave it. 30, 10, 40, 14, 50, then how much? 20. So these points we have to keep on the graph. Y-axis, x-axis, then we know this is origin. Then here on the x-axis we have to take class intervals. Right. So anyway this x dash we no need to draw these two, because here the negative values are not there here in this. So that's why then origin, then on the x-axis, then class intervals 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Then on the frequency, means y-axis, cumulative less than cumulative frequency we should take. Then highest value is 20. Then you should take, then each centimeter 2 units. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Right. So here, then after taking, see here, 10 on the x-axis, 2 on the y-axis. So 10, 2, 10 here. Then if you go straight like 2 is here. So this is 10, 2. Then 20 comma 7, 20, 7, 6 and 8 in between, you will get here. Then next to 30, 10, 30, 10 somewhere here you will get. Then 40, 14, if 40 you will take, then 14 somewhere you will get here. Then 50, then last 20. Then you add these points without using scale. This is less than cumulative frequency. Then we have to find out median. So first we have to find out n by 2. n by 2 means 20 by 2. n value 20. 2 ones are 2 tens are. Then 10. This 10 value, n by 2 value, we have to take on the y-axis. So where is 10? Here. With the scale from here, just you draw a line. This line is intersecting less than cumulative frequency here. From here, by using scale, draw a perpendicular line to the x-axis. Then this where is intersecting on the x-axis, that is called median. Means 20 beside means 21, like this is approximately. So children, next we will discuss in the next class.